So, today we are going to try to address a very important yet very misunderstood concept. Let's watch this video first.
Size does not equal to strength. I used to be 135 kgs and I was weak as fuck. पिछले 3 सालों में अभी तक मेरे लिफ्ट्स बहुत ज्यादा वीक हैं और इस ईयर के स्टार्टिंग में I made a promise to myself. By the end of the year, I will bench 100 kgs and today is that day. I am gonna attempt 100 kgs because I wanna get that 225 wala mark on my list. So yeah, I'm excited.
So here he made the claim that size does not equal strength, और उस claim को support करने के लिए he showed a photo of his where he was 135 kilos और उसमें उन्होंने बताया कि he was not strong at all, but now since he has reduced weight and he has reduced a lot of size as well, now he is stronger and he is going to attempt a 100 kilo bench. So इसमें दो points आते हैं. As you can see the photo, in that photo he was 135 kilo and clearly he was very obese. So if he was untrained over there, then of course that size will not contribute to you being strong, because आप untrained थे, आपने training ही नहीं की है, आपके पास muscle mass ही नहीं था, तो आप कैसे strong होंगे? Now let's give him a benefit of doubt that he was training back then, but his body composition was not that great. So since the body composition was not that great, so now I can see that he was carrying around 30-35 body fat percent at that point in time. So even if he was training, his lean body mass was lesser. Maybe his lean body mass is better now, and he has got 3 more years of experience in terms of lifting as well. So that adds to strength as well. सो इन दोनों ही केसेस में ये एग्जांपल बहुत रॉन्ग है, क्योंकि इमेजिन करो, लेट्स टेक हिज एग्जांपल ओनली, इफ ही वाज नॉट 135 बट 120 किलोज विद द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ लीननेस एंड सेम अमाउंट ऑफ लिफ्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस, तो आपको क्या लगता है कौन ज्यादा वेट लिफ्ट कर पाता, 120 किलो वाला या अभी जिस बॉडी वेट पे ये है वो? सो दिस वाज अ टेरिबल कंपैरिजन टू सपोर्ट हिज क्लेम, एंड यस, साइज डज इक्वल टू स्ट्रेंथ. स्ट्रेंथ इज अ स्किल, और अगर आपके पास ज्यादा मसल मास है और आप वही स्किल प्रैक्टिस करते हो, तो यू विल बी बेटर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर एट दैट स्किल देन द पर्सन हु हैज लेसर मसल मास. सो आई होप द कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर नाउ, एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.